Good morning, people. This is Curtis, the Corn King here. Again, giving you another special breakfast treat here. Today, I'll be making Hollandaise sauce, classic, breakfast classic, and I'm going to do it a quick and easy way using the blender method. So this is my workstation here. I already have the ingredients weighed out here and measured. For the traditional Hollandaise recipe, you need really 4 egg yolks, you need a tablespoon of lemon juice, you need 4 ounces or half cup of melted unsalted butter, a pinch of cayenne pepper, and a pinch of salt. That normally yields 1 cup, but it's just for my wife and I today, so I am just going to do half that. So I have the 2 egg yolks separated, no white. Quarter of a lemon juice. This is my salt. This is my version of cayenne pepper. I use the 5 spices from Chinese seasoning. And this is the melted butter. I melt it over a pot. Why? The microwave tends to draw out all the moisture, so that's why I do it in a pot, so all the moisture is preserved. So, and this is parsley, chopped parsley, the leaves, no stems. Right, this is my English muffins here, and of course, that's the eggs that I use. This is to further make the eggs Benedict complete. You have your Canadian bacon, you have your split muffins, we also toast that. And the Hollandaise sauce that we're going to make now is put over that. But again, that's another video. So stay with me, and in a couple of seconds I'll be back with you to show you the actual process. Okay folks, so we're back here, and I'm actually going to show you how we make this Hollandaise sauce, quick and easy method, using the blender. Okay, so now I'm going to take the egg yolks and put them in the blender. So I'm going to separate the yolks from the white. Simple method. Just by using the same shell that is broken. You just move them over from side to side. You see? Just like that, making sure the yolk remains and the white has been completely removed. So we add this into the blender. That's 1 yolk. Oops. Today is one of those days, folks. I hope you guys didn't see that. The yolk actually fell into the bowl that I'm using to catch the thing. So this is how we do it, alright? Into the blender. There you go. Now we add the lemon juice, quarter lemon. Then we add my seasonings, which is the salt, a pinch of pink Himalayan salt. I add a little extra for flavor and taste. And of course, cayenne pepper, but I prefer the 5 spices Chinese seasoning, dried seasoning. Right? And we have our butter, which will be added very shortly. So we put the blender on with these ingredients on medium, and we blend for like 15 to 20 seconds. So here we go. Then after that 15-20 seconds, I'm going to be adding the melted butter, a steady stream, and firstly I have to reduce the blender speed. So we're looking for a color change here. Yeah. probably about 10 more seconds here. Right, then we reduce speed to the low speed, and now we're going to steadily add this stream, a steady stream of butter, the melted butter, to the yolk and the lemon juice. So here we go. The change in the texture and the consistency, the volume, it has been thickened and doubled. Right? Now this is much easier than the old school traditional way, where you guys who know who have done it the old traditional way, where you just whisk the eggs and the lemon juice till it's doubled in volume and thickened. Then you place that in a double boiler, and then you whisk vigorously again while you add that stream of butter. It takes a longer time, but it's worth that method from scratch. And this is the quick and easy method. Still, you can impress your wife or your girlfriend or your fiance or whoever, right? Some of your early culinary skills here exhibited. Right? So again, at this point, you can add a little more salt if you require, or a little more lemon juice. It's all about your preference on taste. So without further ado, this is the way it's supposed to look on consistency. So I'll come back in a couple of seconds and show you how it should look. Bye. See you. Alright folks, we're back again to show you the consistency and how it looks of my blended hollandaise sauce. Right, you see? Oh wow. And this recipe is half the traditional recipe, right? Conventional recipe, right? So this will give you like a half cup. It will yield a half cup. Instead of 1 cup. And this is enough hollandaise sauce for you and your partner, right? If you're gonna have 3 or more people, you'll probably use the conventional recipe, which is the 4 egg yolks, the 1 tablespoon of your lemon juice, the half cup or 4 ounces of your melted butter, unsalted butter, and then a pinch of cayenne, and a pinch of salt for flavor. Right? So you set this aside. If it gets too thick, you can just add 2 drops of warm water and you whisk it to get it reconstituted, right? And then serve. Alright, so I'll be back with you in a little bit with my famous sign off. Okay folks, as promised, this is what the finished hollandaise sauce is supposed to look like. I give you a special treat. Here is actually, this is in the egg benedict, how an egg benedict's supposed to look. This is your English toasted, lightly toasted muffin, your strip of Canadian bacon, your soft poached egg, at least I like them soft and running, which is like 3 to 4 minutes. If you want it a little harder, medium or hard, 6 to 8 minutes. Again, your preference. Alright, so that was it for today. And I would like you guys to please continue smashing that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And this is the Corn King signing out for today. I'm going to have myself some hollandaise sauce and egg benedicts. So please look forward for my upcoming videos, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace out.